जय बाबा गुदड़ीवाला, जय बाबा गेलाराम. Story of Baba Hardas Ram Sahib Life. Part 1. Gujriwala Darwish's childhood was a unique and ordinary. He was calm for almost a year since childhood, where he used to sleep. He used to sleep peacefully and silently, or lie down and look around. He used to fall asleep while watching. Even if he were hungry, he did not cry and did not tell the feeling of hunger. The mother had to feed herself automatically. Sometimes he used to sleep while playing and used to cry a little and made him feel hungry. You played and slept for a long time in your grandmother's company. Learn to tell you and automatically give grandmother legs or nose, hands, massage with mustard oil, and teach you to sit automatically. Grandma, she used to bath and drink water of cottage cheese and bitter gourd with 1 or half spoon of amalgam. You were weak and sick since childhood. Grandmother's eyes were stars. After 1 year, your grandmother taught you to hold hands, and you were instructed by your elder brother, Mr. Narayan Das, used to rotate, and sometimes, however, you would go to the court and you would sit quietly in the same corner and pay attention to pictures and bell instruments, etc. Seeing you loved grandma so much, your parents used to say to you, so at the age of 3-4, you would take 1 or 2 chapatis every day from your grandmother in the street. Near the house, a dog gave birth to 6-7 children. You used to feed that bread and pick up the children of the puppy and play with them in the house. Jai Baba Guddiwala, Jai Baba Gelaram. The Hindi translation of this story will be written in the description, and the Sindhi translation will become soon. You will get